So in a previous post I had talked about a quarters layout, and so I got that going here. So typically on a wall what you do is you start with a center mark on the wall, and that grout joint would go there, here, and then in the next row it would go here, you know, for an offset, half offset. So that's what I did over here. So I made a center mark here, and then this tile is 8 inches over, half a tile, half a tile. So if it's 3 by 6, it'd be center mark, and then 3 inches over each way for a half offset. So what that does though, is it would create, you know, having a tile here would leave a 15 or so inch piece over here. So where would you put that? You know, this is a 13 here. I don't know if you can see that. So this piece is a 13. And this is a 5, so if you go 15 and 13, that doesn't really work out in the corner. If you go 15 and 5, then that's still a 20 inch, you know, it's just too big of a, it doesn't really look like full tiles. So what I did is a quarters layout. So a quarters layout, instead of going full, you know, full tile and then half a tile off of that, 8 inches, I went with a quarter. So a quarters is 1/4, 3/4. So you take a 4 by 16 tile, what that means is 4 inches and 12 inches. On a 3 by 6 subway tile, it's 1.5 inches and 4.5 inches. That's your 1/4, 3/4 mark. So with 4 inches, instead of going here, you would go 4 inches over and draw the line. And then you would have a line 4 inches on the other side of that. So what you do, you go 1/4, 3/4, so you have one tile starts here, one tile starts here on this mark. And what that does, it's still a 50% offset. These are still 8 inches apart. But what it gives you is this is now 11, hold on here, 11, and then this cut is like 5 1/4, so you're talking 16, 16.5 right there. And then this cut over here, you're talking 3 and 13, that's another 16, you know, maybe 16.5 when it's all said and done. So a quarters layout, still 50% offset, but it can make this corner look better than if you just draw the center line and go with it. So anyway, it's kind of nice to have another option on these 50% layouts. So if you have maybe a little sliver cut in here, or like it says, the corner just doesn't work out, instead of just having the one option, you have another option at your disposal. That's it.